What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're trying something a little bit different today. We're at Jess's. You can't tell by the cars. And I really want to clean her engine bay on the autech. So ever since we got it, the thing has been filthy. Underneath there's a little bit of surface rust if you guys didn't see that video. The outside was covered in like dirt and grime just from being left outside for so long. The guy never drove it or anything like that, so had a bit of a build up. I gave it a bit of a cut and polish. Now it's looking a bit spick and span, but underneath the engine bay there's a lot of corrosion and just it's filthy, and it's a white car, so we're going to try clean it up. I've seen a few videos of people using oven cleaner. Apparently it's the best engine cleaner for corrosion and stuff like that, so I thought, hey, we'll make a video on it and we'll give it a go. So I'll just do a bit of a before for you guys. See, it's a bit dirty. Here's the corrosion and stuff down in here. And just everywhere needs a good clean. Hey?
Yeah.
So Jess just got some water. Is it hot or cold?
Warm.
Warm. Some soapy water. We got some spray stuff. Some Ajax clean and some oven heavy duty, no scrub required. So which one should we try first?
The spray one, no scrubbing.
No scrubbing. Okay, so what we're going to do is to spray a little bit of water over everything so it's wet, and then spray that on and let it sit for 5 minutes and spray it off and see if there's a result. Yeah, good. Hey. So what do the instructions say? Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Spraying. Wear thick long rubber gloves and eye protection at all times.
Do you have any gloves?
Got some, yep, some dishwasher gloves.
Maybe get some gloves.
For spraying, twist arrow on nozzle to dot on valve rim. Shake can well before and during use. If spray stops, pull spray button off. Rinse under warm water. For a super fast 5-minute clean, use it in a warm oven. Warm car.
Yeah, well, close enough. Are you going to get gloves?
Yep.
So Jess has got her flash gloves on now. Did you shake it?
No.
Shaky, shaky. And just cover all these pieces in here and around there. Just on the engine though.
So like this bit?
Yeah. You probably have to hold it straight. You probably can't hold it on an angle, you probably have to hold it straight.
Oh, I have to twist it to the dot too. Here's the dot. That's supposed to phone.
See?
Yep.
There you go. Good. Looks so funny with your pink gloves on.
Thanks.
No. Don't eat it.
Ah.
What does it taste like?
Yeah, asshole.
Asshole. How do you know what that tastes like?
Just do.
Yeah, that bit. Anything that's got the white stuff on it. So now we've got to wait for like 5 minutes, but I just want to show you the headers because already they're changing colour. You can see that it's like foaming up and going yellow. It's weird. It'll be interesting to see what it comes out like. So we're just going to wait for 5 minutes and then wash it off with just the hose. I'm not even going to scrub it and see what happens. So I'll do all the talking in here because you guys can see me a bit better than in the sun. But, sorry. It's been about 5 minutes So Jess is just going to try wash it off with the hose the first time around and see if it does anything, and if not, then we'll spray it on again, wait 5 minutes and give it a bit of a scrub with our hands and some soap and stuff and see if that works. Ready?
Yeah.
Wash it in this bit. Kind of worked, eh?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Besides from the lot heaps on the bar.
Kind of took all the white stuff off here. It's still a little bit funny colour, but kind of worked. So I guess we,
Put some more on?
yep, and scrub it this time, eh? So while we're waiting for this shit to set, I'm just going to get Jess to use the spray bottle with our super rip and our brush, and she's just going to clean all these corners down in here, not that you guys can really see, not that you can, where it's all dirty, and over there, and over there, and down here, and along here, just so it's nice and clean when she pops the engine bay. So she's just going to spray it on, and use the brush, sort of scrub it. And you can see it kind of takes it off. And we'll use the soapy water in the bucket there to clean it all off, and then we'll scrub this stuff and see what that happens, what it comes out like. So we let it sit for 5 minutes again. We went around and scrubbed up all these corners and stuff like that to try to get it looking a bit cleaner down over in there and stuff. So now we're going to go through. Jess is going to scrub all the big areas with the big brush, this one here, and then with the little brush where she can't reach with the big brush, and get it nice and clean, and we'll wash it off.
Yep.
Okay, ready, go. Go. Yeah. Scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Like you want it to be clean. Gonna wash it off for the last time. So I just finished cleaning it up with Jess. We moved it back into the garage. I don't really know what to tell you guys. It didn't really work as well as I thought it would, but now the engine bay is a lot cleaner. Everything's a lot cleaner in here. You can kind of see where we could scrub it better. It did work, but on the sides here needs a lot more attention, like with maybe some Scotch Brite or something. But everywhere else and overall, a lot tidier in here, so can't really complain. Down there could do with some bit of attention. To be honest, the engine could come out at some point and the whole bay could get painted and clean up the engine and do some seals and just do some maintenance, because Jess and I want to keep this car good, being an autech, pretty rare. Anyway, next video is on this thing. We might paint some of these strut braces and stuff pink, and the rocker cover pink, because that's what she wants to do. But for now, this is going to be it. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.